Hello everyone, welcome to the Mifratech YouTube channel. Today we are going to explain another new project called Attendance Management System, where attendance management system is the system that will manage the attendance of the students. This system is the online system, which is a web-based application that is developed by using the PHP, JavaScript and MySQL. This system will help to monitor the daily attendance of the system. This tool can be accessed by the students and the teachers. Online attendance management system is innovative to monitor and track the attendance of the students. We have used in this project HTML for page layout and design, CSS for design, JavaScript for front end, PHP backend, and MySQL as a database.